Well, for the most part, nakatrabaho ko na si JC po kasi. So, may connection na po kami agad in terms of working together. Bella naman, medyo, hindi naman matagal, pero recently, sobrang close na din kami ni Bella. We've grown to be very good friends. Actually, sa kanya ko nga una nalaman na magiging
Pero hindi pa kayo
ipipitch ko sa
nagkatrabaho?
Hindi pa, ano siya, she's very funny to say. But she played my late mother sa Pamilya Sagrado.
Talaga?
Yes,
Ay, oo,
sa Pamilya
tama.
Sagrado. Pero obviously, she
Pero hindi
played...
kayo nagka-eksena?
No, because I didn't ever get to meet my mom then. And so if I would meet her, she would be a whole different character. Mas matanda na siguro. So that's why we never really saw it as a problem na magiging love interest ko siya dito.
Di ba awkward?
No, honestly. Never naman naging awkward. Kasi at the end of the day, we're professionals, we're actors. Party po na trabaho ko namin. And I've always been comfortable naman with Bella. She's a very good friend of mine. And never had any problems in terms of comfortability with each other and everyone. Especially on set. The three of us, parang kami nag-jive po talaga.
Romantic yung character niyong dalawa rito. Pero, I don't know if you wanna answer, meron bang abangang romantic scene ba kayo dito? I mean, intimate scene? Or...
Wala naman pong ganon. I think more of the more romantic, intimate side is going to be between, siyempre, yung kwento nila Fidel and Stella. More than it's gonna be with Clyde. Pero I will be part of their story, I would say. Magiging part si Clyde, magiging catalyst ako. Paano sila nag-meet ulit? You'll see why. Marami pa pong mangyayari.
Sabi mo maraming magagalit sa character mo dito. Paano, gaano katinding galit nila dahil ganun bang?
May mga, I'll be honest po, may mga ilang eksena na pagkatapos ng eksena, sinasabi ko kay Direk, ang epal ko dun ha. Tawag ko po kay Clyde minsan, epal. Pero I mean, it's part of the character, part of the trabaho ko natin. I mean, kung may maiinis po sa akin, feeling ko naman, ang sasabihin ko na lang po, at least I was able to get my job done. Yun po siguro.
Pero sabi, ikaw yata isa mga bankable actor ngayon na
Wow,
talagang
thank you.
sunod-sunod yung project mo.
Thank you, thank you.
Kamusta? Kumaga, hindi ko pinababayan ng ABS ngayon, di ba naman?
Ano naman po, I always like to say, especially recently, I've been feeling so blessed. Sobrang pangarap ko lang po talaga ito nung bata ako ngayon. Nagagawa ko na dahil sa tiwala po sa akin hindi lang ABS, kundi Viva Films din po dito. And I'm super happy that people trust me with my work and what I'm capable of doing. And ang trabaho ko lang po talaga sa ngayon is gawin ko lang yung best ko. And I'm super happy with all the projects that have been coming my way. At yung mga susunod pa na hindi ko pa pwedeng sabihin, like for, kunwari, what I mean is, the reason why I'm blonde right now, ang dami po siguro
Meron pang dahil din
yes, po,
pinaghandaan
may
niya.
pinaghahandaan po ako ngayon, pero I can't say it yet, baka magpagalitan po.
Kaya kumbaga ngayon, parang you're a versatile actor na.
Thank you so much.
Hindi na dun sa love din lang, pero you play different characters. Mas gusto mo ba yan? Kesa mas nakikilala ka as magka-love team.
Hindi ko po pwedeng sabihin na mas gusto ko to kaysa mas gusto, yung gusto ko sa isang bagay nila, like love team or something like that. It's more of a, kung ano po, sa pakiramdam ko, okay po para sa takbo ng career ko ngayon. Siyempre, ang dami din po nakapaligid sa akin. Nagtulungan po ako. Siyempre, I have Cornerstone, I have Star Magic helping me with where I want to bring my career now. And in terms of like preferred projects naman po, lagi ko lang po sinasabi, lagi ko din tinatanong pag pinititch po sa akin. Gusto ko lang talaga may purpose yung ginagawa ko. May dahilan kung bakit ginagawa ng character yun. Mga ganun. I want to be able to tell a good story. Even if that means being bad in the story, may mapupulot ka pa rin talaga sa character. And yun yung doon ako, that's where I found my peace in acting and my love for the craft. It's being able to tell stories na may mapupulot pa rin talaga yung mga tao, kahit entertainment pa rin siya. Yun yung tao.
How's your relationship?
How do you want to be remembered as a actor?
Ang bata.
Parang matagal pa po yan. Marami pa po ako ma-experience. But remembered siguro, I mean, I can't say remembered kasi marami pa po talaga akong gusto gawin. I think I want to be siguro known as, sa ngayon, growing up in this industry. I want to be respected in my craft. Because I have so much respect for what I do. And I want to be known as someone dedicated sa ginagawa niya. At alam ko marami pa pong taon bago ko po masabi na magaling akong actor. Pero I can promise na sa lahat po ng mga proyekto mapapanood nyo sa akin po, binibigay ko po lahat.
Kamusta yung relationship?
Kaya mo Peter.
Ano pang role ang gusto mong gampanan na nasa wishlist mo ni TikTok?
Dream role? Marami pa po talaga eh. I mean, there's so many different kinds of characters na pwede ko pa pong gampanan. I think that's gonna happen through experience sa edad ko. Wala naman po akong talagang goal na tina-target lang po talaga. Pero I've always wanted to do siguro a biology of a certain person in history. I don't have anyone like sure ako na gusto kong gampanan. Pero if ever, I've always wanted to do real stories. I love telling real stories na may mapupulot nga po.
Kahit how sure,
Senior muna, senior. Char.
Senior?
Sino gusto mo makapareha? Senior citizen.
Senior citizen.
sa mga batikang actress, ganyan.
Mga ibang actress?
Kahit sino, actor, actress.
Marami pa po talaga eh. Pero I think one person I can really say I would love to work with din, especially after seeing her movie. Big shout out to Sunshine, napakagaling po talaga ni Sunshine. Maris, napakagaling ni Maris. And actually, minessage ko po siya pagkatapos sa movie, sana magkatrabaho kami. And
Hindi pa kayo nakapag-
Hindi pa kami nakatrabaho.
Gusto mo na Kuya Ali.
I would love to work with, napakagaling talaga ni Maris. And I just want to say that kasi syempre, ang pinaka-goal po talaga namin, I think even Bella was talking about it, puntahan natin yung mga Pilipino. Sobrang happy ako sa napanood ko sa Sunshine and I think may mapupulot din po kayo sa Stella in terms of growth. But yeah, going back to who I want to work with, Maris, isa po din po yan. Siyempre, pangarap ko ng trabaho si Janine Gutierrez. Alam niya yan, crush na crush ko kasi siya. At alam na mga tao yan. Honest lang po talaga.
Nagpaalam ka naman kay Jerry.
Oo naman, alam niya naman. Alam niya din, bago yung naging sila na crush ko talaga si Janine.
Ano meron?
She's just such a beautiful person inside and out. And nakasama ko po siya sa ASAP. Very down to earth, very genuine. And yun siguro. Marami naman po, marami pa naman pong iba na gusto ko ito.
Kamusta yung friendship mo dun sa mga kala Andrea, kala Seth Fidelin, kala...
Oo po. I feel like, growing up in this industry, you're not always gonna have the same friends throughout all your life. Kasi parte po yan ng trabaho. I mean, may busy na po talaga yung mga tao. We don't get to see each other all the time. So when I see them naman, hi, hello. I haven't seen a lot of them. A lot of the people that I grew up in this industry with for a while. Ano naman po, I love.
Are you happy with Francet and Love Team?
Yes, of course. Super Bowl. Actually, when pumasok po sa MMFF, yung film nila, kasama ko po si Seth nung sabi ko, sobrang proud ako sa kanila. Sobrang happy ako sa kanila. Kasi kailangan, mas marami pong, in this industry, I feel like what's missing is camaraderie. More camaraderie and supporting each other. And that's especially now sa nangyayari po sa sine ngayon sa Pilipinas, sa cinema. Not just sa Philippines. I think going back to what Bella said, it's actually not just the Philippines, but in general, cinema all around the world. Kailangan lang natin tulungan ng isa't isa. And yun yung importante, camaraderie sa industry.
Kailan po rin namin papanood sa isang teleserye? Ano nakita ko yung post ng Steve
Yes, parang project po
Yan ba yung para sa blood na buhok?
I can't say anything. It's not. Actually, iba po yung blood. Pero, I can't say anything. No? Pero malapit na po ata ang pwede sabihin. Malapit na po.
Kasi ako sa pamilya sa grado, talagang tamatak yung eksena.
Thank you.
Are you not sure for movie or for teleserye?
I really can't say.
Ayaw nga sabihin.
Basta for a project. For a project po. Pero hindi po siya para sa Dreamscape project. Basta iba po yan. Basta. Wala.
Kahit
Ayoko po mapagalit. Baka mawala mo po sa akin yung
Kahit are you open working with parang an older woman, tapos ikaw yung kapartner, and then yung mga intimate ganyan, okay lang yun.
Yeah.
Kasi ngayon parang Bella, pero wala namang ganyan.
Yeah. ano naman, like when I said ko, part of mga trabaho
Mga may
natin.
December love story.
Yeah, I would love to do stories like that because totoo siyang nangyayari sa buhay ng mga tao. And may mapupulot ka pa rin talaga sa mga profession. And ano naman, like I said kanina po talaga, what I love about my job and what we do is talagang you get to wear the shoes of people that you never thought you would ever be able to in your life.
Sino yun? Kung sakali. Sino yung gusto mo ka-partner on that kind of?
May December.
Maylin Dizon, siyempre,
Bakit siya?
mahal na mahal ko yung babae. Yes, I love her so much. Shout out to Ate Mai. I just love her so much. No, we worked so many times.
Pero bakit siya
Huwag ka makamba, pamilya sa Gran. I don't know, she's such a close friend of mine. Never, I call her Ate Mai, pero she's like a
At
best
least
friend.
hindi ka na maiilang kasi
Yes,
close na kayo.
of course, exactly. Why not? Diba? Pero marami pa naman.
Maybe
I'm
Janine
very
din.
open to work.
Pwedeng Janine, di ba? On that
Yes, of course. Yeah, siyempre, ang aking kapatid po sa Cornerstone, si Ate Julia Montes, I've always wanted to work with her. Such an amazing actress. And,
Sana nga na magkaroon kayo ng project.
I would love to work with Ate Julia. Yeah. Yes. Actually, pwede ko na din po sabihin yan. So yun na nga po. I have a project po on the James Game coming out soon. I also have Project Wire Blood. Pero malapit din na din po mapanood ang aming movie ni Piolo Pascual. Yes, we have a project coming out. We've been talking about it for years. For a while na. Finally, mapapanood nyo na po. I'm sure, sana po makita ko po kayo lahat mga press.
Sana
con naman
invite.
din po na- Yes po. Sa press con din namin. Ayusin po ni Macmur lang yun. Pero yes po, action father and son
action.
film. Yes. Yes po. It's like the usual, father and son.
Kaya lang di ba, hindi, ito hindi ka ba na parang naiilang sa issue na parang binibigyan ng mali siya yung relationship
Ay,
niya?
I've been asked this so many times po kasi talaga. Ang akin naman po, ang sa akin, I know who I am. Kapatid ko yun si Piolo. He's like a brother to me. He's been a mentor for me for the past 2 years. He came into my life at a very significant time when I was losing my sister. And nung pinifilm po namin yung The Ride, ilan lang po nakakaalam sa film natin. He was one of my brothers that really helped me out through the scenes na masakit, mahirap pong gawin kasi pinagdadaanan ko nga po yung nangyari sa kapatid ko. But I never really have to answer what the people say. Mali naman po talaga yung iniisip ng mga tao. May masasabi lang po talaga yung mga tao. Pero kapatid ko po yan si Piolo. Hindi ko po siya tito kasi para kami magkapatid po talaga, promise. He's like a brother, he's a best friend of mine. And kung anong isipin po ng mga tao, sa kanila na po yan. Pero alam namin na magkapatid kami, we're best friends and I don't have a problem.
Sige, please invite them na to watch.
Yes, can't even say exactly when. Pero malapit nyo na po mapanood ang The Ride. And malapit nyo na po mapanood ang isang awit para kay Stella. Excited po akong mapanood nyo. Don't forget, that's on September 10. Cinemas Nationwide kasama ko po. Siyempre, si Bella Padilla, JC Santos, directed by the one and only Jason Paul. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Sobrang susi mo, may time ka pa ba magmahal?
Importante naman po yan. Mahalin na sarili.
Hindi lang yun, alam mo na.
Pag-ibig, relasyon, wala naman po siya ngayon. There's always time for love. Yun yung importante.
Pag-feel mo,
Kapag feel mo, there's always time for love. Pero sa ngayon, pagdating sa relasyon, taking my time, building relationships siguro with myself and my inner peace and my loved ones around me. And I have a lot of friends naman na mahal ko naman din po talaga. Hindi ba kailangan may girlfriend
naman
ako
si Mac.
agad? Hindi naman si Mac Marla.
Kyle, so marami mga tips sa showbiz na binibigay sa'yo si Piolo?
Oh, naman. Actually, you know what? I can't say na binibigyan niyo po talaga ako ng tip. I think one thing na I appreciate from him is hindi niya ako tinuturuan. Pinapakita niya lang kung anong process niya as an actor. And doon ako humugot. I think that's one thing I've been very blessed with in this industry. Sa career ko po, been surrounded by so many friends na talagang veterano po sa industriya na ito. And they're so generous in showing me, and not teaching me, but showing me what I need to do in this industry para tumagal. And it's up to me to continue on what they've been able to teach me.
Kyle, kasi recently, napanood ka sa TV sa MMA with Kai Montenola.
Yes.
At ang daming mga sumuporta, ang daming kinilig sa tambalan ninyo. Kamusta na kayo? Kamusta
Okay
yung
naman
tambalan
kami
ninyo?
ni Inday. Lagi naman kami magkausap. Super proud of that girl. She just had a performance with Tito Ogie, di ba? Napakagaling niya. Yes, super galing kasi ni Kai. And I think it's about time she gets put on the right platform. And I'm super excited for her now na mas lumalabas siya sa ASAP, finally. And like I always say, I'm just so proud and so happy to watch her grow in seriously.
May asa ba kami sa tambalan ninyo?
Lagi ko siya nasabi. Abangan niyo ba po? Wala po akong masabi sa kayo. Kasi nga, baka mapagalitan po ako ng management. Pero abangan niyo lang.
Pero mukhang meron.
Wala po.
Dahil sa hindi ko alam kung nailan na pero kung naalala mo ba yung exact na nangyari nung finish niyo yung
Ano reaction mo?
Una ako po talaga sabi ko, are you sure talaga na ako talaga? Kasi, love triangle, JC tsaka ni Bella, Kyle? Pero, I mean, I just didn't think, I mean, like I said, it's a character I never thought I'd be able to put my own feet into his shoes, di ba? But, tinanggap ko po agad. I love the script. I'm super excited. Super excited, especially to work with two amazing, brilliant actors. And here we are today.
And you were helping daw.
Yes po. Nagulat nga din po ako eh. Pero shout out to Direk Jason Paul. Thank you. And of course, Tita June and Viva Films for thinking even
Thank you.
Maraming
Picture na
salamat.
lang tayo.
See you.
Bilis na po ah.
Kyle, solo picture po lang. Solo picture.